ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अमृता नायक। अभी जो आप सुन रहे थे वो था बस एक गाना, पर आगे आप जो अभी सुनने वाले हैं दैट इज़ माई स्टोरी, माई जर्नी विथ म्यूज़िक which is filled with lot of emotions and lot of songs. So he asked me, बेटा आप गाना सीखोगे? And immediately I said yes. People of Orissa, they used to recognize my face, my voice. If I wouldn't have taken that risk, I wouldn't have been here today. I had to be multitasking so that I can balance both job and music at the same time. My journey with music actually started pretty early. When I was just 6 year old, I was humming to a lot of film songs, and that time my favorite song was Pucho Zara Pucho from Raja Hindustani movie. So I was just humming to that song like any other toddler. But my dad noticed my talent, and he was also somewhat inclined towards music. He was singing in his school and college days, so he wanted my foundation to be very clear. So he asked me, beta aap gana सीखोगे? And immediately I said yes. So that's how my journey with music started, and I started learning Hindustani classical vocal. When I started learning music, then slowly I started also performing, and my first live performance was at the age of 7, I guess. It was just near to my home. There was a Kali temple. On the day of Diwali, I gave my first live performance at that temple. So I must say it was a divine start to my journey. In the year 2002, I have released my first solo album. It was in the language of Odia. I belong to Cuttack, Odisha, so it was in my mother tongue. I released that album, and I got really good appreciation for that album. Slowly, I started attending school level competitions and singing competitions outside, and I won many of them. In the year 2004, I participated in a national singing talent hunt that was named as Sur Tarang. It was being telecasted in DD National that time. I was the runner up in that competition, and B.R. Chopra ji and Adish Shrivastava ji was the judge there. So they really appreciated my song, and they motivated me a lot. And these early days achievements really boost my confidence, and I became more serious towards music. एट द सेम टाइम आई वॉज़ ऑल्सो गुड एट अकेडमिक्स, तो मैं बहुत अच्छी थी पढ़ाई में. सो फिर धीरे धीरे रिश्तेदारों के ताने शुरू हो गए. माई डैड फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ सोशल स्टिग्मा कि लड़की है, इसको क्यों गाना सिखा रहे हो, आगे जाके तो शादी ही करेगी, इसके पीछे क्यों इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो. बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी माई पेरेंट्स, दे नेवर took it seriously, and they always pushed me and always motivated me. अगर वो शायद इतना सीरियस नहीं होते मेरे म्यूज़िक के लिए, तो मैं भी शायद इतना कुछ अचीव नहीं कर पाती. सो अ बिग थैंक्स टू देम. Then slowly I started appearing in TV contests, and I took part in various regional reality shows of Odisha. I took part in reality shows of Odisha like Voice of Odisha Season 2 and Amori Swara, and I was the finalist in both the reality shows. And from there actually I got a good number of contacts in music industry, and slowly I started doing playback. So I think I was in school when I started doing playback. I think when I was in the ninth standard, I got my first playback in Odia movie. That was for a child artist. So that was my first break in Odia movie, in the movie Motte Anidelu Lakhe Phagona. In that movie, I gave the playback for a child artist. So that was my first playback in Odia movies. That's how my playback singing took the next level. And slowly also I started performing at live shows. I think I did a lot of live shows during my school days also. एंड वो टाइम पे लोगों का मतलब थिंकिंग बहुत ख़राब था कि लड़की है, इसको क्यों लेके आप लाइव शो में जाते हो, शो ख़त्म होता है, लेट होता है, रात को आप लौटते हो, लड़की को लेके इतने लोगों के सामने गाना गवाते हो। बहुत बहुत कुछ सुनाया लोगों ने। एंड आई एट टाइम्स आई वॉज ऑल्सो यूज टू क्राई कि ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं लोग, बट आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू माई पेरेंट्स। दे नेवर took it seriously and they always pushed me कि नहीं बेटा, आप आगे बढ़ो और भी कुछ करना है आपको लाइफ में। देन आई फिनिश्ड माई इंटर इन बिटवीन एंड आई जॉइंड engineering. During my engineering also I did a lot of live shows. I did playback in Odisha, and by the time of 2014 I was a well-known singer in Odisha, and everybody in the music industry and people of Orissa, they used to recognize my face, my voice, and I did, by that time I think I did playback in 7 to 8 movies. But that time I had to take the decision whether I should continue in music or I should also focus on my engineering career, like I should take a job or not. So I was really confused, but then I decided like no, I should take it to the next level. So I decided to leave Odisha and completely shift to Hyderabad. Everyone at that time they were like shocked about my decision. बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे भी बोला कि मतलब तुम्हारा अच्छा चल रहा है म्यूज़िक में, why are you leaving everything and going to a different city? There you have to start from the scratch. But I always liked challenges and I always liked to take risk. So I took the risk and I left everything at Orissa and I shifted to Hyderabad. That's how my journey with digital platform started. I left Orissa, I moved to Hyderabad, so I thought digital platform will be the right option to be in connection with people, be in connection with music industry. That's what the idea has come from. तो इसीलिए मैंने धीरे धीरे यूट्यूब में कवर्स डालना स्टार्ट कर दिया था विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन, एंड आई नेवर थॉट दैट माई कवर्स विल हैव गुड व्यूज़ और आई हैव अ गुड नंबर ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था माइंड में. I randomly just uploaded few covers and within few months I started noticing good number of views. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसको seriously लिया जाए. So then I started uploading covers on regular basis and I did it more seriously. उसके पहले तो बस ऐसे ही randomly upload करती थी. Then through this digital platform only I got good contacts and I got good offers. So slowly I started getting friendly with Telugu music industry. So slowly I started getting offers. I did few playback for Telugu movies also. Then my career has moved to the next level, I must say. So I'm thinking if I wouldn't have taken that risk, I wouldn't have been here today. एंड तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में मैंने अभी तक जितने भी गाने गाए हैं, आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड हैव गेट दैट. अगर मैं रिस्क नहीं लेती, यहाँ पे नहीं आती, आई वुड हैव बीन इन माई कम्फर्ट जोन. बट आई टुक द रिस्क, आई मूव टू हैदराबाद. So I took the risk and now I'm getting the benefits. And slowly, within few years, my digital career, my YouTube career did really well. And within few years, I got more than 1 million plus subscribers on my YouTube channel. And because of my YouTube popularity, I got a lot of live shows. I did shows all around at the most major cities of India and outside of India as well. And due to my YouTube career, I got the opportunity to sing with the world's largest music company, that is T Series. So my cover version of Hum Naba Mere, it's released on T Series official YouTube channel, and I got to sing this song with the beautiful singer of Bollywood, Jubin Nautiyal. I'm really thankful that my digital career really boosted my overall music career. And then again, for my digital popularity, I got the chance to collaborate with Javed Ali ji on the sets of Jamin, which is being telecasted on Colors TV. So I got lot of good opportunities, and I received both YouTube silver play button and golden play button. It was my dream actually when I started YouTube. It was my dream to perform at FanFest, and I got that opportunity. I performed at FanFest Hyderabad twice in 2018 and 2019. So I must say I have achieved a lot in digital platform. So slowly I started getting good offers, and I did playback for almost more than 600 plus songs in various languages. And I did playback for almost 20 movies, including Odia, Telugu, Kannada, and Banjara. And I hope these numbers will keep increasing. So thank you all for loving me so much. For my playback songs, I got a lot of awards, like Studio One Best Playback Singer Award I have received for my Telugu song Attu Ittu Nuve. I have received Orissa Music Excellence Award for the song Kemiti Bhulivi. I have received Coastal Star Award for my song Sambalpuri song Nili Nili Akhi. I have received Cinema Sansar Awards for my Odia song Tu Achu from the movie Asilu Jebetu Jana Feri. So I have received a lot of awards, including Governor's Award, and I have also received DIA Digital Influencers Award in the year 2020. So thank you all for loving me so much. Lastly, I would say thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. अगर वो नहीं होते, उनका support नहीं होता, तो शायद आज मैं भी यहाँ नहीं होती. My parents, my friends, my family, my husband, they have been really a very good support, and without them I don't think I would have achieved this much. And without the support of family, things become really complicated. So I must say I'm lucky one to get a good family that they are also supporting, so things are becoming easy for me to achieve. A lot of people, they ask me that how can you manage both your music career and your job career at the same time. So the reason is my family is very supportive. I learned good time management. I segregated my time between my job and my music. So that's the key. And at the downtime of my career, I never left hope. I kept believing in myself. I believed in my music and my passion. I never stopped doing hard work, and with my hard work and dedication, I must say, in current date, I have more than 300 million plus views, streams on all my songs across all the digital platforms. Lastly, I would say, if I wouldn't have been taken that risk, if I wouldn't have left my hometown and moved to Hyderabad, शायद मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होती. आई वुडंट हैव गॉट दिस नेशनल प्रेजेंस. मैं शायद उड़ीसा में ही रह जाती, उड़ीसा के प्लेबैक सिंगर बन के. आज जो मेरा एक नेशनल प्रेजेंस है, डिजिटली लोग मुझे जानते हैं, शायद ऐसा नहीं होता. सो डोंट अफ्रेड टू टेक रिस्क. क्या पता आगे चल के आपके लाइफ में भी कुछ अच्छा हो जाए. एंड आई नेवर लेफ्ट होप. Even though I left the city, I kept motivating myself. I believed in my passion, in my music, and I was very hardworking. I divided my time. I had to be multitasking so that I can balance both job and music at the same time. And I never left hope. So keep believing in yourself, and वो कहते हैं ना, when there is a will, there is a way. So once you start believing in yourself, automatically things fall in place. In today's date, I have more than 1.3 million of subscribers on my YouTube channel, and over 3 million people, they watch, view and stream my songs across all the digital platforms. But very, very few of them actually know my story, my journey. So a big thanks to My Canvas Talk for giving me the platform where I could share my journey and my story with music. Thank you so much for having me here. It was lovely and it's my pleasure to be here. So big thanks again. And this is Amrita signing off. फिर मिलते हैं दूसरे किसी वीडियो में. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you. Namaste.